Thank you so much, Mohamed Yusuf from Runta TV, a newspaper from Seattle, well known, over 30 years serving our community. We appreciate your visit. It means a lot to us. As you can see here, our leaders, my right, Ali, my left, Isgow, and my left again, Said Amir. They're the leaders in our community. The visitors today, including you, for the African Youth and Community Organization located Portland, Oregon. This organization has been serving the East African, dominantly Somali or Middle Eastern population since 2009. We have many programs, including education. We have about 37 schools that we work with, 80 school districts, including colleges and university. We have scholarship programs that helps our uplift department and the youth who really encouraged to have a better education. We serve about 557 to 570 students every day after school programs. We also have a community health, health disparities, mental health, physical health, and education overall. We also have a community engagement that does everything that when it comes to housing needs, when it comes to advocacy level. We have our own crime victim advocacy program statewide, and we serve every single person regardless of their religion or their skin as well. We recently purchased this building not that long ago, last November, with a $3.6 million. This is the first building that ever purchased in the state of Oregon, Islamic finance. No interest related to it. I'm glad to say that $3.6 million was paid off last month, in less than a year. This is an asset for our community. This is an asset for our, especially in the Somali community in the Portland area. Not only we serve the Somali, but also we are a resettlement agency for Afghan refugees. We welcome you to our city, and we would love to share more stories at your next visit. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We're here today on behalf of our brother Mahmoud, who came from Seattle, from Runta newspaper, and our brother Jamal, who will come at his center. We're very glad to be here all together on behalf of Somali Oregon communities. At the same time, I'm sorry I didn't tell my name is Ali Ibrahim. I'm executive director and the founder of Somali Oregon Service Center. And also on behalf of United Communities of Oregon, on behalf of United Communities of Oregon, we contain like 10 communities, which supported by AYCO and the Cairo. We're very glad because when we started this and we invited Cairo and AYCO, they directly came to us and supported us. And we are very happy to see the development and improvement our brother Jamal is doing. And he has an open heart to welcome everybody from the community, and he's willing to support us as a grassroots communities. So we say, our brother Jamal, go ahead and move forward, and we are together and we are always beside you. Thank you very much.
Special ma kat AYCO के कार में کنم زیادتر جاب ما که هست به خاطر افغان کمیونیتیز تا برشان چی کمکا که میرسه از طرف AYCO ما برشان پیش میبریم زیادتر.
We have Afghan community and also community engagement for all the diverse community members. Whoever needs help, assistance, we help with everything like applying immigration need assistance, and as well as rental assistance, and like helping them with the making appointments, translation services, etc., etc. Whatever need they have, like communicating with their landlords, basic supports, medical informations like explanations, reading their mails and explaining to them, like we do everything.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.